Hi everyone, welcome back to DIYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2022 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back or side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small cup along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Next, remove the broken screen with the frame from the body. First, take out the battery from the body. Next, remove the logic board. First, disconnect the LCD plug and the main flex plug, and then fingerprint plug and two antenna heads from the board. And finally, undo the screw holding the board. Before pulling the logic board, ensure the SIM tray is out. Next, gently take out the logic board from the body. Next, remove the earpiece speaker. Next, remove the bottom cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex connector and release the tape holding the cable, and then pry the cable away from the board. Next, free the tape covering the antennas. Next, undo the screw holding the charging port board, and then remove the board with the antennas. Next, remove the vibrator motor from the body. Next, take out the stylus pin. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation is more complex and time consuming, and durability may be an issue. You'll also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, secure the AP speaker. Next, gently align the logic board and secure it in the body. Next, ensure all cameras are securely in place and then secure the board by adding the screw. Next, insert the SIM tray and fasten the LCD and fingerprint plug into the board. Next, Place and secure the vibrator motor. Next, place a charging port board with antennas and then secure the screw. Next, route both antennas along the sides of the frame. Secure them with tape and connect them to the logic board. Next, install the main flex cable. Connect it from both ends and then secure the tape at the bottom. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, place and secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.